Hey, it's Rachel here with WTI. If you're looking for a way to keep your skin nice and toned, moisturized, and keep those pores nice and small, definitely check out Witch Hazel by Thayers. I love this stuff.
Witch Hazel has like a watery consistency. It looks just like water. It is not harsh on my skin, and that is what I love. What I'll do is put a few drops onto some cotton, and then after I've washed my face, I'll just wipe my face down. I love that it's not harsh on my face. It doesn't dry it out. In fact, it helps my skin to feel toned, but also moisturized. At the same time, it's just a very refreshing feeling. The smell is not strong at all. And I really like the ingredients that it uses. This one specifically uses aloe and coconut as well. I've been using this toner for about 3 or 4 months, and my pores are a lot smaller and my skin feels more toned.
So if you're looking for a facial toner, definitely try out Witch Hazel. This one's by Thayers. I love it, and that's just my point of view.